Hey you guys, what is up? So I have another plant unboxing today from Hirt's garden again because I didn't learn from my last one. So let's just open this up because last time I talked a lot before I even got to opening it, and I'm sure you didn't appreciate that. This is the condition the box is in, by the way. I already see a lot of loose soil like stuck in the tape there, so that's promising. But other than that, it's not like soggy anywhere or like too bent up. It is like not prime condition, but not horrible. So, oh boy. Okay. So, here's what it looks like. Just kind of a plant tossed in a box. So, this time they like wrapped the foliage though, which, update, here's the guy from my last Hirt's unboxing. I cut off his leaf that looked like it was like eaten or burnt or like melted or something weird like that. But this one kind of looks like it's getting some, I don't know. Here's the new leaf that was popping up in that one. Actually, I think this is the new leaf that was popping up, and this is another new leaf. So he's been growing pretty fast because the eaten leaf last was... Anyways, that's him. He's doing fine. He's not dead yet. So here is this plant. Again, they didn't put like an order form or anything in there, which I think is kind of odd, but here's the plant. So he already, I don't understand what it is with Hirt's, if they over fertilize or what, but like here's another melted leaf. Like I've never seen that before except from Hirt's. Do any of you guys have an explanation for that? Because I do not know. From what I can see though, like this leaf is obviously having a hard time, but the rest maybe don't look too bad, so. Oh, so this is a chocolate aglaonema. Okay, so the roots don't look bad. I actually, when I went to repot the last plant from Hirt's and I took it out of the soil, it was literally like just a formed like little, what are those called? Plug. Like it was just grown in a tiny little plug and then put in that pot, which is like kind of sketchy of Hirt's, just saying. But his roots look like they were grown like more maturely and in a bigger pot. So I guess I'll just let him sit outside of his wrapping for a little bit so he can kind of chill. But the leaves all look really good as opposed to these two. And it looks like a new one here like came out and just died. But he has lots of new growth in here. Like this is a new leaf. This here's a new leaf. This one is. And then there's a new shoot right there. And another new shoot. So he's not doing too bad. I'll just let him sit outside of his packaging for a little bit so he can kind of... And yeah, that has only been 5 minutes. Yeah, so that's it for this unboxing. Again, they didn't put an order form, which was kind of weird. Hirt's just kind of like tosses their plant in a box. But, I mean, some leaves make it. Also, if you know what this is, like did they over fertilize it? But yeah, I'd say more successful than the last unboxing. But here he is, the chocolate aglaonema. So yeah, thank you for watching this short little unboxing video, and I'll see you in the next one if you watch it.